When setting up an Amazon trading account, you will need to provide your business trading detail. This will include your company registration document, utility bill showing the location of your business bank account, and also a valid credit card which can be charged. Here the great tips for setting up your account, but mind you are only allowed to select one the seller center account per region, so you can set up one per you won't pay as one per Japan, etc. So if you are set up more than one, you are in danger of having your account shut down. So you have been warned the information that you submit should match. So for example, the address on your utility bill and the address on your business should match completely. Otherwise, there will be a delay in opening your account or it may not be available at all. Amazon doesn't allow very many ways to customize your account, tries to keep it almost as anonymous as possible, but you can set yourself a name to identify your account. So you can write some business policies and also the introduction to your business, and you can add a logo. And now if you are going to have a quick look at where this is done within the Amazon, and if we go to the settings and then we go to your information and policies, here we can upload information to customize your user. I would say, for example, you can add information about the server HTML editing box here. So you can also add a saloon logo, and you can add the information about the, for example, returns and refunds, shipping, privacy, etc. If we go to the setting and account information and click on your self profile, we can change information like the display name, the content email address, and also the address for the account. This can be done in this case. This is the combined European account. So you do it for all the different linked European accounts. Let's just have a quick look. We can edit the address and reply to the email. And if we click here, we can edit the name. It's best to try and choose something descriptive and easy to remember.